Okay, this is a Starbucks Sirena, and I've taken the top off just to see and hear what's going on. I'm going to turn it on, and only the power light and the water light comes on. Nothing heats up inside the unit, no matter how long I let it sit. And problem I'm having is I can't get the water to prime at all, even though it sounds like it's going on. So I'll try it right now. Nothing happening. Nothing. Okay, nothing happens. No water comes out. Light is still flashing. It just stops. Hopefully someone knows what the problem is. Thanks.